Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're making fluffy sugar-free blueberry pancakes. These are truly such a treat, especially with some maple syrup and extra blueberries. So we are going to need 220 grams all-purpose flour, 290 grams Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 200 grams fresh or frozen blueberries, 100 milliliters milk of your choice, and 1 egg. We're going to start by mixing together the flour, baking powder, and soda. Then we're going to add the egg, the Greek yogurt, and the milk, and whisk until it's smooth. Now gently fold in the blueberries. Now melt some butter in a non-stick pan. Take 1 heaping tablespoon of batter for each pancake and fry them until golden on each side. You can enjoy them with some butter, maple syrup, or extra blueberries. I heated mine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.